What's going on, guys? Merry Christmas to the people that are watching this video, guys. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing the A10 Astro Logitech headset that I got gifted for Christmas. I got gifted for Christmas a headset by my aunt and my cousins. So we're gonna be opening this. This is my Christmas, one of my Christmas presents. So we're gonna be opening this because I really needed a headset. So, but let's go begin with this unboxing. Let's go, man. Alright, guys, so here's a closer look to my A10 headset. It, of course, is Logitech. You can also play it to the PC, Mac, PlayStation 5, Xbox, Switch, and mobile. So this is how the box looks on the sides as well. Show you guys up close. Keep playing. I already opened it a little bit. Close it, but this is how the back of the box looks. This is how the headset is gonna look like. So let's open it, man. All right, let's go. Let's open it with one hand. With one hand, let's open it. Let's go. Boom. There we go. Here we have the headset. Let's take it off the box real quick. Take it off the box real quick. There we go. I'm gonna put it right there. The box right there. And it just comes with the paper. Let me put the box behind so it could look more aesthetic. So let's go, man. All right, so it comes with this weird bag. Weird bag, to be honest, but it still looks really good though. Okay, so once you open it, first thing you see is the cables to connect to your controller. Connect to your controller, or you connect it to your PC, mobile, and stuff like that, depending on which console you have and stuff like that. So here is the first cable. It's the first cable right here, and then anything else, nothing on top, just the cables. Okay, so let's see what else comes in the bag. It comes with the cable as well, with the pink and blue or green cords. It also comes with cords. I think this is the flip to mute mic. I think that's what it is. Just in case, I think if you play PC or something, right? Let me know in the comments down below if you know what it is for. Cause I think this is if you play PC, right? Or let me know if I'm wrong or something. But yeah, it comes with those two cables. It comes with two of these cables, and then here comes the best part of them all, the headset. Okay, let me take it out of the bag. There we go. I am doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is how it looks like. This is how the headset look like right here. Let me put the bag on the side. Nothing in here as well. Let's just double check. Nothing in here, just a piece of paper, I guess. But here is the headset, guys. Here's the headset. It looks pretty cool. Shows there's something here, like something with tape right here, and then here we have, if you want to bring up okay, so this is how the mic looks like. This is how the side of the mic looks like. It has pretty cool design. It has like an Astro design right there. And the mic is here taped up, and I'm gonna remove the tape right now. It has the Astro on top. And you could change how you want the size of your headset right here. It has different settings. You could bring it up, you could bring it down. Sorry about that. But this is how the Astro's Gaming A10 headset looks like. I'm trying my best to show you guys because I'm doing it with one hand, and I don't really do reviews like that. So yeah, so here is the green, and then let me try to remove this tape real quick. We got the tape taken out and clear. We just have to get rid of this white thing right here, this white like paper. So here we have the headset. You could bring it down. Let me try to bring it down. This is how you bring. Oh my god, I want to break it. Okay, it's the other way. Oh my god, it's about to... Okay, so we got the mic to work now. Here's how the mic looks like. It looks pretty sick. It looks like a pretty cool, sick mic, guys. I am still gonna try it out, guys. This is how it looks like with the cords. And the mic looks like. I'm very excited because I really needed a new headset, and with the new mic I'm gonna be able to use it for the streams as well, when I come back using the streams. Let me know in the comments down below what are these cables for. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. I would really appreciate that, guys. Drop a like, subscribe, let me know if you enjoyed the video, guys. It's not the best review, but I just wanted to drop a video for you guys this week before hopefully I can start streaming again. So drop a like, subscribe. Hopefully I can be back to streaming, and I'm out. Peace.